Hello again, Nissan fans. Today we have the ChoroQ version of the very first Nissan Cube, which came out in 1998 apparently. I'm totally unfamiliar with this car. I love the second and third generation ones, but I never knew about the first one. Alright, let's see here. How old is this toy? 1998, or 6? How could be? I don't know if that's a 6 or 8. I assume it's 8 because the car came out in 1998. But it does tell me what it is. That's how I know. It's just a molded gray body. No paint or anything like that. I don't know. I think this is just painted on the gray. It's totally opaque. Standard ChoroQ wheels. Nice curvature to them though. Nice panel details here because it's plastic. You can have really tight lines. Unfortunately, there's almost no paint, other than the headlights. And this grill is extremely weak. I don't know why they didn't mold into it. Yeah, so that's weak. The sides in the back are a little bit better. No paint for the taillights though either, so a really basic ChoroQ. The roof has a little bit of ribbing there. So standard construction of a screw and a tab. I'm going to do a little wheel swap because I have some extra 3D printed wheels laying around. Let's see if this will come through that. It's very often that tab. It just doesn't want to come out. No. It's strange how they do that. They purposely make this tooth really wide so you can't get it out easily. Oh, this is going to take way too long. I have to probably come back. Oh wait, never mind. I created a gap there. Try to cut off the back edge of this hook here. So now maybe I have room to wiggle that out. Still not enough. Let me come back. Alright, so yeah, totally opaque body. I don't know why they would choose to do that. Maybe it costs less than clear plastic. And then I'm going to replace this motor with an empty shell of a motor here. Then we got to screw this back together. Where's my hand screwdriver? Alright. There we go. So I think these are Advan A3s, I think they're called. There aren't too many 3-spoked wheels in the automotive world because they just kind of look weird. But this is I think it works well on this Cube. So I'm using poster putty to mount that stuff. Look, that one's kind of steering. I guess we might as well make this steer as well. Got some camber in the back. Alright, maybe too much putty, but you won't see it when it's upright. Okay. So I got 3 other castings of the second generation Cube. This one here, it's got the auxiliary lamps inset. Strange it doesn't tell you what it is. I think this must be a dealer toy because it doesn't tell you what it is, which makes no sense. Things should tell you what they are, I think. This one's got different wheels, and this one, again, doesn't tell you what it is. But again, I think it's a dealership model. This one finally tells you what it is. Nissan Cube. And different tail lights. And this one has side mirrors. That's what makes this one different from the first 2. So 3 different castings of the second generation Cube. Interesting. This is called an S-Car-Go. It's pretty funky. Real car in real life. This is an old casting. It must be. It looks old. And I think that says 89. 1989. And I think it said Taiwan. Made in Taiwan. Interesting. This is a Nissan Elgrand with some 3D printed race wheels. It's just a nicely detailed Choro-Q, so I think it deserved the better wheels. Okay, we have a little Bandai Gashapon of some sort of gray stormtrooper. I don't know what the name of that stormtrooper is. Please leave a comment if you know. But it's cool. It has a little cape. Anyways, thank you for watching. Sadly, this Choro-Q is not really detailed very well. I mean, if they had some more paint apps, that would be nice. It could have been molded nicer, the front end for sure. But it's the only cartoon version of the first generation Cube I know of. In fact, this might be the only thing remotely 164 that's the first generation Cube. But leave a comment if there is a realistic looking one out there. Maybe Matchbox or something to it. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.